Hello creators, welcome to Grow on YouTube with Joy. Today I'm going to be teaching beginners how they can create channel banner for their channel, whether their channel is new or not. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can create channel banner. Now, what is a channel banner? Channel banner is like a billboard for your channel. It is the first thing that people see when they come in contact with your channel. Is just bold and it carries your channel name, your tagline, and then your niche, pictures of your niche, what your channel is about. Now it's very easy to create a channel banner even if you are a beginner. I'm going to be showing you on Canva how you can do that. So let's go to Canva. If you don't have Canva already, you can download Canva from Play Store. So once you have Canva, you just click on the app and then it opens. So on this search template, you are going to put what you want. So we want to create channel banner, so you go ahead and type channel banner, and once you do that, a template is going to come out for you. So these are different templates of channel banner, as you can see. Okay, so the ones that are the free version, that is the one you can use, except maybe you have paid for Canva. So the one that has the crown, those ones are the ones that you need to pay for. But the free ones are the ones like this one is free. This is also free. Anyone you don't see crown, you don't see this crown here, it means that it is free. So you just, for you to select the one that appeals to what you want to do. So let's say, for example, we want to use this one. Okay, we want to use this. So assuming your channel maybe is a personal channel, so then you first of all you go ahead and change the name. This is the channel name. So you edit it, you click on edit, and then you type in what you want. Let's say, for example, grow on YouTube. Grow on YouTube with Joy. So under this edit, you see fonts, you see text styles, and then you see font size. Click on this font size. Right now is on 137, so you can reduce this. So that is how you reduce. Do you see it? So this is now the font size. Then if you want to also change your font, you can also change the font. This is the places where you can change the font. Right now is on playlist script. So assuming you want to change it, let's say Abril flat face, it becomes this. You see, this is different from the first one. That is how you change the name. And the tagline that is here, look at the tagline that is already there. You click on it and then you click edit, and then you type in what you want. Tips, tricks, strategies to grow fast. Now you can decide to use a stroke to separate them like this, or you can decide to use a dot like this to separate them. So it all depends on the one that you want, your style. So you can decide to separate them like this. And then the same way, you can also reduce the font size. Right now it's on 57. If you want it to be in one line, I've reduced it to 48. You see, tips, tricks, strategies to grow fast. So the next thing you want to change is the photo. If you want to add a photo, this is where you can do it. So once you click on the photo that is there, you come down, the first one there says replace. if you click on replace, it will take you straight to where you have your pictures, okay, and then you can now select any picture that you want, and immediately it appears. You see the picture has appeared. And then the next thing you want to do is to change the background color. Okay, this is the color that is there right now. So this is where we can change color. See, I've changed all to red. So here you can choose any color that you want. Blue. Okay, let me choose red. And then I can go ahead to, you know, change the color of the writing so that it will be bold. Do you see that? Then I can also change the color of the tagline as well. You can decide to use white. Once you are satisfied with what you have, you go up. If you look up, you see an arrow that is pointing down. Then you see this other one that is pointing up. So it is the one that is pointing down that we are going to click on, so that the image can be saved. Right now, as you can see, it's preparing the image. And now it is ready. That was just it. You just created your channel banner. I hope you find this tutorials helpful. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can keep seeing tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your YouTube channel. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.